Hi guys and girls on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. I tend to deal with a lot of older people, and I get people that are set in the ways. They don't like change, they don't want to buy something new, they want to have repaired what they've already got. And sometimes I get jobs that nobody else would even consider looking at, never mind having to go at repairing. And I've got one of these jobs here, so let's just take a really quick look. I've already repaired the fault on it. I'll just show you, I'll just run you through it. Right, so this is the set in question. It's a 32-inch Beko, and the model number is 32WLA 520HD. Now I'm not sure what year this dates from. It's probably about 2010. It's so old it doesn't even have digital built in. This is an analog only TV. Now it's been in a couple of, over the last, I don't know, 7 years according to my sticker on the back. It was in 2017 for a power supply fault. It was in 2020 for an inverter fault. And now it's come back in 2023. It won't come out of standby. Now this is actually the board out of the telly. It's stuck in standby. I've got the service manual, which is not very helpful. Basically all it does is list voltages in the service manual. Well, I've checked all the voltages, they're all alright. The problem appears to be around the microprocessor. I've swapped the serial EEPROM, that made no difference. I've checked the IC here that generates the reset pulse, that's alright. The crystal's oscillating, so it's probably down to that micro there, but really that's as far as I could go without a replacement board, because there's very little you can do in the service manual. Most of it just is data sheets on these ICs and block diagrams showing you what the power rails should be. So basically there's not a lot you can actually do with this set, but I don't like letting people down if I can help it. So I've actually searched through all my old stock, and right up in that very corner there I've actually found a set of boards for this telly, which I've had from 2012. And there you go. So I've actually managed to find another PCB. Now with these boards been here since 2012, well, that's what, 11 years ago. These boards I've got would have been virtually brand new 11 years ago. So this is why, if you can help it, you shouldn't throw anything away. Right, so that's the back of the telly. This panel actually clips on there when you've connected all the leads up to it. Let's turn it round now and see it running. Right, it's connected up to a skybox. Let's turn it on. They've even got the original remote control with it still. So that's the on and off. It comes on in standby, and then you have to press the red button on the remote.
That's in the shed.
Oh, skybox is on colour bars. Let's just change that. Just put the camera down while I change it.
Water and sugar that I've just boiled up to create like a stick.
And there we go. What a cracking picture on that. And that is going to make a very, very happy customer once again. Of course there will come a day when I won't be able to repair this telly any longer, but for now that's another good result. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.